All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Monday. A little action this morning, right? I wasn't expecting this, but of course, everybody knows about the Boeing CEO stepping down. Here comes the Dow. The Dow is on the move this morning because of that news. And some names to watch. Charlie put in the watch list. Red Hat, RH Restoration Hardware, Lulu, Boeing, of course, Roku, JD, Chinese stock, and XL and Next. Leading the S&P right now is CCL. Shout out to all my friends on Carnival Cruise Line. That was pre-market. They were up 7.5%. Right now, Boeing is second place in the Dow, on the move. In the S&P. JD leading the Nasdaq, and Tesla. Tesla's up almost. Now it's over 1%.